7 Best Canva Alternatives for Digital Marketing and Content Creation. Are you stuck in a design rut with Canva? Discover 7 game-changing alternatives that could redefine your content creation experience. Adobe Express leverages Adobe's vast creative legacy. With seamless integration across Adobe tools, Express offers an intuitive interface and robust features like background removal and animations. This makes Adobe Express a strong contender for those familiar with or new to digital content design. Founded in 2022, Kittl is a fast-growing platform that mixes AI-powered tools with community-driven designs. While free to use, subscribing unlocks superior exporting options and more AI credits, perfect for innovative digital marketing content. Though not a direct Canva clone, Figma excels in interactive web aesthetics and team collaboration. Ideal for UX/UI designers, it offers unique tools for creating and sharing vibrant content and graphics, making it indispensable for teamwork. Built into Microsoft Office, Designer simplifies digital asset creation for social media with its straightforward AI-powered interface. While it lacks extensive personalization, it provides practical tools for those needing quick, polished designs. Pixlr offers a robust free plan and offline functionality. Its bouquet of tools, including AI-powered editing and batch processing, positions it as an affordable choice for creators who value versatility and offline workability. Fotor shines with its AI tools for image editing and design, making it a budget-friendly option with options to experiment with AI-based creations. This platform is perfect for content creators looking for expanded creativity without a hefty price tag. VistaCreate combines vast design templates with print integration, aimed at both digital creators and print designers. With extensive stock assets and affordable pricing, it supports numerous content formats, streamlining workflow from design to print. Explore these options to find the perfect tool for your creative needs. Embrace innovation and rethink what your digital content creation can achieve. Start your journey with a free trial or subscription today and take your creations to the next level.